Attention! This is a 400-pound bluefin tuna, bought for $220,000. Now we will watch how a specialist quickly divides it to create culinary delights. The recipe is the same, and so is the knife. But it never gets old. The knife skills are incredible. Watching it is extremely satisfying and relaxing. Each cut is so quick, precise, and steady. Dividing a fish of hundreds of pounds is no problem. A 10-pound black iron knife, slicing through like an arrow, can easily cut even the hardest fish head. Truly impressive. And the knife technique is divine. Moving as easily as taking something out of a pocket, cutting smoothly. Each cut reveals skill and fame, truly worthy of a master tuna cutter. A good knife with a good sheath, dividing the fish is like cutting tofu. Smooth, fast, easy, and very captivating to watch. And each cut is extremely precise. With the cut along the fish's back, a few strokes separate the central line, something not everyone can do. Not just anyone can divide this noble fish, it must be a master cutter. Otherwise, a wrong cut can cause thousands of dollars in losses, which is no joke. Even in Japan, with so many resources, only professional chefs can handle this. They are very careful, usually needing several people to help, fearing to make a wrong cut, unlike this master cutter, so decisive and efficient. It's easy to see how skilled he is, whether cutting forward or backward. He handles the knife with ease, as if he had 40 years of experience at 35. Truly impressive, so young and already earning $10,000 a month, just missing $9,800 to reach that, becoming the youngest tuna cutter master at the dock. In no time, he will be earning $10,000 a month, don't you think? Moreover, look at how their work requires arm strength. Otherwise, they couldn't cut so smoothly. Therefore, their arm strength is extraordinary. After years of practice, handling the big knife with mastery, dividing a fish of hundreds of pounds in 3 minutes. And after the division, the fish meat is refined, differentiating the parts, as each part has a different price when served to customers, with the belly alone divided into upper, middle, and lower, medium, high, and low fat, etc. The back part is called wing body, also divided into upper, middle, and lower parts, being leaner, with less fat, darker in color, like a ruby, very beautiful, but not as expensive as other parts. The best part is the belly meat, the fattiest and tastiest, rich in oil, with a clear and beautiful pattern, delicate and smooth texture, melting in the mouth, with a higher price, surpassing even the best Wagyu beef. And this fish is most suitable for sashimi, the most sought after by customers, a portion costing days of work, the refined and sliced meat ready to be served to customers, truly a high-quality ingredient, often needing only the simplest preparation method. Would you pay such a high price for a bluefin tuna dish? Tell us in the comments. If you enjoy satisfying videos of exotic foods, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. And don't forget to like this video. See you soon.